Welcome my students. Welcome to my today's topic. Today is the second part of the larger number. Okay. So today we will be discussing on greatest and smallest numbers. Okay. As you see here, at first greatest number. What is greatest number? If we arrange the digits from the greatest to the smallest, then the number is known as the greatest number. Okay. And if we arrange the digits from smallest to greatest, then it is known as the smallest number. Okay, so here we are taking one example. Here it is: form the greatest and smallest number with digits 9, 5, 7, 4, 6, 2, 0 and 8. Okay, so all the digits are given here, so we have to make greatest number and smallest number with the given digits here. Okay, so what is the rule to make a greatest number? We have to arrange digits from greatest to the smallest. So among all these numbers, which is greatest number? First 9. Next, what is the number? That is the 8. Okay, so 8 ho gaya. 9 also we have done. Next greatest number is 7, so here it is 7. Next greatest number is 6, so write 6. Next greatest number is 5, so write 5 here. So next number we are having now, it is 4, so we are writing here 4. And then the next greatest number is 2, so write is 2. And then the rest number is 0 here, so we have to write 0. So the greatest number is 98765 Okay, here we are arranging the digits from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, and next is to make smallest number with all the digits given here. So if we are trying to make the smallest number using all this number, so we have to arrange digits from smallest to the greatest. So it is the opposite of the greatest number. Okay, so now let's check. Now we have to make the smallest number using all this number. Okay, here are the numbers. Okay, so how to do it? We have to arrange the digits from smallest to greatest. Okay, but you will find that here one digit is 0, so the smallest digit is 0, you think, but we cannot start with 0 here because number starting with 0 has no meaning. Okay, so write the next smallest digit first. Okay, so we'll start with 2, so write 2, then write 0. Okay, so if there is 0, then in the second position write 0. Okay, next smallest digit is, here it is 4, so write 4. Next is 5. Next is 6, so write here 6. Next is 7, so write here 7. Next is 8 and next is 9. Okay, so the number is 20456,789. so it is the smallest number. Okay, here. So also always you have to remember that you have to write 0 at the second position if in the digit it is available. Okay, next, now next part is ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? If we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, then it is known as the ascending order. And if we arrange the numbers from the greatest to smallest, then the order is known as the descending order. Okay, so here we are taking one example. The example is arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending orders. Okay, so here are all the numbers available here, 4 numbers available here. So at first, okay, so now we'll start to make ascending order. So ascending order means smallest to greatest. Okay, so look at the numbers first, all the numbers. Okay, so you can see that all the numbers are 8-digit numbers. Okay, so when all the numbers are in the same digit numbers, then start comparing from the extreme left. Okay, so here in number 190724778 has digit 1 at the extreme left. Okay, then in this number at extreme left the digit is 2, here the digit is 5, and here on the extreme left the digit is 7. So the smallest digit on the extreme left among all these numbers are here present here. So 190724778 is the smallest number. Okay, then so it is the first number, first smallest number, then it will be the second smallest number, then at first it is the 5 on extreme left, so it is the third number, and it is the fourth smallest number, or you can say that largest number among all these numbers, because on the extreme left it is 7. Okay, got it? So if we arrange these numbers, so the numbers will be 190724778. Okay, then the numbers will be 2476257, then the next number will be 5, so right here 526724556, and next number, that is the largest number, will be 75298643. Okay, got it? So it will go like that way. I don't have the space, that's why I have written on the second line, but maintain in one line. Okay, write it in one line. Okay, use one line. Okay, got it? So if we want to make the descending order, so what will be? Then descending order means from greatest to smallest. Okay, because it is the opposite to the ascending order. So what will be the first number? This will be the first number, then it will be the second, it will be the third, and it will be the last number. Okay, got it? Okay, so now we are taking the exercise to give you the better idea. So we will, so now I am trying to solve the exercise one by one, taking one from each of the question. Okay, so the first question is, make the place value chart for both Indian and international system of numeration of the following numbers. Okay, so it is the first question in exercise 1. So what will be? Here the number is 426, 65 and 21. Okay, here the number, and below there are two types of numeration. First is the Indian numeration and second is the international system of numeration. So what will be? So we have to start from this. At first we have to make the chart, both of the chart using the pencil, and then you have to write the numbers, okay, in the particular order, in the particular place. So the first number is 4276521. So the first digit is 1, we have to start from this end. So at first it is 1, then 2, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4. Okay, so 4 will be under TL. Next is international system of numeration. So it will be like that way. What will be? It will be 1 here, starts from this end, then 2, 5, 6, 7, 4, sorry, 7, 2, and then 4. Okay, so already we have done it. Okay. Next question. Here is the next question. Write the following numbers in figures: 75 lakh 76,783. Okay, so how to write this? So 75 lakh. Okay, the question number is 2E. 75 lakh, that means we have to write 7 here, 5 here. Okay, 75. Then is 76,000. So 76,000. Then 783. So it will be 783. Okay. Now we have to put the commas. Okay, and we know how to put the commas. We have to put the commas after every period. So here 75, then comma, 76, then comma, and 783. Okay, got it? Okay, next. Now the next question is write the expanded notation for the following numbers. Okay, we have to expand the number here given here. Okay, so the number is available here 24779,508. So at first write it in the chart for your better concept. So start from here: 8, 0, 5, 9, 7, 7, 4, 2. Okay, got it? That means it is under the crore, 2 crore. So what will be the expanded from? We have to write like that way. 2 into 2 is under crore. So 2 multiplied with 1, and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, got it? Then it is 47 lakh. Okay, so how can you do that? Here it is 4 under TL. So write 4 and then write 1, and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here you have to write the plus sign, then here also the plus sign, and then 7. So write 7 and into how many zeros? Here will be 7 is under lakh. Okay, or lakh. So how many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plus sign. Then the next 7 comes. Here 7 under the TTH. So here will be 7 into 1, and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next is the 9 under TH or 1000. So it will be 9 into 1000, 1 and then 000, then plus sign. Then 5 is under 100. So it will be 5 into 1, 2. Okay, 100. And then it is 0. So 0 will be 0 into 1, 0. Here will be the plus sign, and here will be the plus sign, and at last it is 8. So what will be? it is ones place, so 8 into 1. So it is the expanded notation for the number available here. Okay, got it? Go to the next question. Now the next question is question number 4. Compare the numbers using less than sign or greater than sign. Okay, so here the question is question number C, 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, one number, and another number is 4 5 6 9 8 0 7. Okay, so now we have to compare, and already we have learned it how to compare those numbers. At first we have to count the number of digits. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so the number of digits are same here. So now just compare the numbers from the extreme left for both of the numbers. Here is 4, here is also the 4. Next number is the same for both, and next number is 6 for both of the numbers. Next number is 9 for the second number, and next number is 7 for the first number. So which is greater, 9 or 7? 9. So this number is greater than this number. So we have to write like that way, 4 5 6 9 8 0 7 greater than sign. Then we have to write another number, that is 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, got it? Okay, so we can write like that way. Otherwise we can write using the lesser sign. So then we have to write it fast because it is smaller. So you can write 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 less than, which is bigger, this number. So you can write like that way, 6 9 8 0 7. So if you are using this greater sign, then here you have to write the greatest number, and if you are using the lesser sign, then you have to write the smallest number here. Okay, at this side, or you can say the left side. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Next question is, form the smallest and largest possible numbers with the following digits. Okay, so here are the digits, 3 0 5 9 2 8 7. Okay, so now you have to form smallest and largest possible numbers. Okay, it is question number 5C. So what will be? At first we are doing the smallest number. Okay, so what will be? We know if 0 is present in the number, then write 0 at the second position, and on the first position you have to write the second smallest number. So here it is 2, so write 2 here. So 2 and 0 already we have taken. So next smallest number is 3, so here it will be 3. Next smallest number is 5, so write 5. Next smallest number is 7, so write 7. Next smallest number is 8, so write 8 here, and then the largest number, that is 9. So it is the smallest number using all these numbers here. And if you try to write the largest number, then you have to start with the largest number. Okay, so what is the largest number here? 9, so write 9. Then the largest number is 8, then 7, then it is 5, then it is 3, then it is 2, and then it is 0. So it is the largest number using this number. Okay, next question. Here the question is, write the successor and predecessor of the following number. So already you have learned what is successor and what is predecessor. So what will be the successor number of this number? If we add 1 to this number, So it will be the successor. So what will be the successor? It will be, here are 7 nines, so 7 9 5 6 7 plus 1. So here it will be 1 here, so it will be 9 plus 1 0, 1 plus 9 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 0, so 10. Okay, got it? So this number is the successor number of this number if we add 1 to this number. Okay, and if you want to find the predecessor, then we have to subtract 1 from this number. So what will be? 9 9 9 9 9 9 and then minus 1, so it will be 1 and then 9, it will be 8. Here it is 9 9 9 9 9 9. Okay, so the number will be 9 9 9 9 9 9 6 9 and then 8. So it is the predecessor of this number. Okay, now the next question is, write the following numbers in ascending and descending orders. Question number 7a. So all the numbers are available here. 4 numbers already given here. We have to make ascending and descending orders. So we know at first we have to count the number of digits for every number. So here in the first 7, it is the 7 digit number. It is also the 7 digit number. It is also the 7 digit number, and it is also the 7 digit number. So all the digits are same. So we have to start from the extreme left. We have to compare. Here the number is 3, here is number 4, here is 1, here is 8. Okay, so if you want to write the ascending order, that means you have to write from smallest to greatest, okay, or largest. So what is the smallest number? 1 is here, so this number is smallest number. So 1729385 will be the first smallest number. Then we have to write the second smallest number. So what will be? Here is the 3. So the first number already we got, here it is 1272985. Then next smallest number will be 38254331. Next smallest number will be, here it is 4, so 4926795, and next or the largest number will be 8526475. Okay, you have to write the arrow like that way. Write it in one sentence. Okay, got it? So if you want to write descending order, that means we have to write from greatest to lowest. So we have to start from this number and end with this number. So the first number will be 8526475, then the number will be 4926795, then the number will be 3825431, and this number will be the last number for the descending order. Okay, so I think everything whatever I have discussed with you now clear to you. Okay, so watch the video and practice it well. Okay, thank you.